Oh, it's been absolutely the greatest. They have all the patience in the world. They had to put up with my HOA for months, waiting to get the windows installed. He was the greatest. He couldn't be a better salesman, and he got us some of the best deal, and he was just the cutest. He was beautiful. He was a wonderful person, very helpful to us. Oh, we're madly in love with the windows, and especially my front door. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yes.
We're just in love with everything. The work, with the workers that came, couldn't be nicer people. Trying to take care of keeping the dust away as much as can be done. Everybody has been wonderful. The girls at the office have been great all the way through. Financing was great to me. Everybody's just been really very nice people.